Anything on the desk, I'll be working.
They did it,
No desk.
the third.
Here, it's simply just taking the garbage out, really. There's not really like many dishes in here, really. But it's just more so the garbage and like make sure there's nothing really on the floor or whatever. So whenever you're sweeping or mopping the main
You want
floor.
them to go inside the refrigerator and pull out the old foods?
No, there's not much stuff in there. We can keep a handle of that. We try to literally making it very easy for y'all.
Awesome.
Then you got the conference room, which this is really just cleaning and vacuuming, really. The chairs and everything, all of that will be inside. The stuff on the table will normally be cleaned up or whatever, so you don't have to worry about that.
Okay.
It's just simply just kind of putting the chairs in. If they are out of whack, and just vacuuming, really.
Okay.
Yeah.
The time. What time of day? I'm assuming it's after hours or maybe before you guys start.
Like if you want to come in between 7 and 8, that'd be good.
Okay.
Because there's usually people here around that time.
Between 7 and 8. And will they have a code, a key, or will somebody be here?
Someone else will be here at that time.
Between 7 and 8?
Yeah, one of the installers or service managers will be here.
And what days of the week?
Tuesdays and Thursdays, preferably.
Perfect. Tuesdays and Thursdays. Oh, doesn't sound bad.
Simple, shouldn't take more than an hour, right?
Yeah, just one person.
It's fairly small.
No, but one
Yeah.
person.
It's pretty small, it's pretty quick. It's in and out. It's just more so just to maintain it, really. Because we can take care of the rest of it. We don't have that much traffic in here. It's not a lot
At
of stuff
all.
going on. So where we need a little bit more cleaning or detail cleaning in that sense.
Okay.
So we should be able to go with the quote that we gave you on the phone.
Okay.
We should be able to go with it.
So the $100 should be?
Yeah, that suffice.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
So then that should work. Let me,
I can send you. That was actually easy. That wasn't really that bad. It was only like 3. No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It was about 5 offices. No, I want to say 6. I think it was about 6 offices. Very small. Only 2 bathrooms, and they want it clean twice a week. The quote on that was $100 per clean. Can't get no better than that. It's only gonna take one cleaner about an hour to get it all done. Easy money. Easy money now. We're going to the next walkthrough, man. Come on, let's go. All right, y'all. So that walkthrough went really well. It was really quick. If you're wondering how that client found us, they found us through good old Google. We have a nice flow of organic clients coming in through our website. They find us on Google. And that's how we've been getting them so far. I haven't ran any ads in probably about 2 months. And we still keep a nice flow of clients coming in. So that's a good thing. But anyway, we're on the way to walkthrough number 2. It's actually an Airbnb, and this property found us because we cleaned their neighbor's home. So being that we cleaned their neighbor's home, they decided to turn their home into an Airbnb and make some money too. And they talked to one of my cleaners. A good thing, my cleaner wasn't disloyal or anything, because they could have just gave them their number, but instead my cleaner gave them our number, and said, talk to Miss Johnson about it. And that's how we got this client. They basically saw that we cleaned their neighbor's home, and they say, hey, we want you to come clean our home too, because you guys are pretty consistent. So you got to be doing a good job if they're still using you. So we're on the way to do a quote on the neighbor's home. All right, doing an Airbnb quote. And this is actually good, because I just fired a client, Airbnb customer. And this particular client that I fired, we were cleaning 3 of their Airbnbs. So me and my partner were talking, and I said, you know what, we gotta replace that client now. We have to replace that revenue. So we gotta hurry up and try to find some people. We already found one new Airbnb that just came in. So we need 2 more to replace that person. And if we win this bid, that'll be Airbnb number 2. But let me tell you why I decided to cancel this client, okay? So usually when we have clients that are Hey, listen, stop thinking because you have children, you can't grow your business. Because I have 5 kids and I own a cleaning business, and my cleaning business has grossed over $1 million in sales. Yes, that is right. Over 1 million in sales we have grossed. And I got 5 kids, okay? So it's not easy, but you can do it. If you got children, you can do it. You can grow your business, okay? And we're here. We're helping people learn and grow in our community each and every day. So if you're interested in starting a cleaning company, you don't know where to start at, you got all these kids running around, you don't got no help from your spouse, and you're in a dead-end job. Like, I get it. I was there. I was in that dead-end job, and I couldn't stand going to work every day, clocking in, somebody telling me when to take a break. I know the whole story, okay, because I've already lived it and I've overcame it, and I'm now showing people how I did that, okay? So click the link down below right here, join our community, tap in, okay? Tap into the community, man, because you deserve a lifestyle change. I'm out of here. Peace. Very picky. They want a needle nose everything. I don't like clients like that. If my cleaners keep complaining, you have multiple cleaners that keep complaining about this one property. Maybe the dryers aren't working properly, like and the client might just be a nuisance. I'm just the type of person, I have all the patience in the world, by the way, okay? So if you are able to get underneath my skin to the point where I just don't even really want to deal with you, I gotta let you go. But I tried with this client. We tried to work out prices. They didn't want to pay our prices. So I ended up having to give them the lowest quote that I could possibly give them. So they came in being cheap. You know what I mean? So I still quoted it fair, but not for all the stuff that they're asking. You know what I mean? So it was one of those situations. Anyway, I got rid of that client, and now we're hopefully going to have another client. Hopefully. You guys stay tuned in, because I bring you in on my world today, y'all. All right? Stay tuned in. All right. Okay. Yeah.
So we're making progress, every day.
Pantry
the house
here.
is going to sleep 8 in 4 bedrooms.
Okay. How many
So
beds will it have?
It's not going to be, huh?
How many beds?
4.
4 beds?
4. Oh, let me show you the laundry.
Listen, a lot of people don't know that you can make a lot of money cleaning apartment complexes, okay? I made over 6 figures in apartment complexes alone, okay? A lot of people don't know that when the tenants move out, they need somebody to come in there and clean the apartment and get it ready for the new tenants to move in. And we are that cleaning company that comes in and we turn the whole unit, man. And it's a lot of units and a lot of money that you can make. And I have a course where I'm teaching people how I was able to grow 6 figures cleaning apartment complexes alone, okay? Click the link down below. The course is only $97, okay? It's only $97, less than $1. I'm gonna show you everything. I'm not holding nothing back. I'm gonna let you know everything you need to do to make 6 figures and beyond cleaning apartment complexes alone, all right? Click the link down below and join us. Come on, let's go.
This is the master, right?
One
It's a
bed in
huge
here.
master.
It's gonna be 1 bed in the
Yeah,
master.
1 bed in here. So there's going to be a walk-in closet here. And then one of these is going to be locked. Sorry, I'm just talking through this.
No, you're fine.
So it has
You're
a,
fine. That's fine.
So there's a toilet in here.
Yeah.
And, we're doing, some upgrades, like changing, changing the, this is going to be like, another bedroom. And it's going to be, this is going to be the bedding that my wife picked out.
Oh.
So it's all going to be, very nice.
I
And
like the
clean.
green.
You like the green?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's
I actually
interesting,
like
right?
it. I actually like that color.
We're thematically, we're pairing the bedding, to the wall colors, so we don't have to
Right.
repaint the whole house.
Okay.
So it's going to be, pretty lovely. There'll be multiple.
This is gonna be beautiful when you guys get this together.
Yeah, so
gonna be really nice.
there'll be multiple multiple sets of sheets.
All right, so that walkthrough went great. That was another great walkthrough. Huge house. It was very beautiful house. They're actually just getting it ready, as you can see on the clips. My favorite part about that walkthrough was the trees. They have some tangerine trees in the back, and she said I could pick off of the trees. I'm talking, it was full of tangerines, girl. So that was my favorite part. They actually have 2 fruit trees in the back. Anything organic, when it comes to organic food, baby, I love it. All right, so anyway, I can't show you the picture of the house because, you know, they don't really want me to show the house, but they did say it was okay for me to take pictures and videos in the inside. So it's only 4 beds. It's only going to be 4 beds in the house. Although the house is huge, there's a lot of house to clean. It's only 4 beds that you have to make up, and the beds and the linen is usually the time-consuming part. So I just went ahead and told her that the quote would be around $280 per turn. Okay, so not bad for 4 beds. It's a fairly large home, but you know, it's not too bad. Just 1 bed in each room. You know, $280. We'll outsource it for $200. It should take the cleaners 4 hours to turn and 5 hours at max. So anybody that's making 205 hours is winning in my eyes, you know, for a cleaning nation. You know what I'm saying? All right, now that I have gotten my 2 walkthroughs out the way, what do I do next? It is now 11:38. I'm going to go to my office. I'm going to check the mail. Then it's going to be time for me to pick my kids up. Yep. And then after I pick the kids up, then I'm going to go back to my home office and do some work. All right. So you might be wondering, what type of work do I have to do? Well, I have to follow up on quotes. I have to send off the bids for these 2 accounts right here. She actually agreed to the $282 because she said that's a wonderful price. So I'm going to create my service agreements. I'm going to send them off, get my signatures, and then I'm working on onboarding some new workers. All right. So I've been thinking for a long time about getting some accounts and outsourcing them to employees, even though I really don't like the employee model. I was just thinking, it was a thought for us to get some bigger accounts, uniform some employees up, put them in there. So me and my partner, we have been discussing this for a while. So we're probably gonna have a little meeting about it later on tonight. Other than that, that's what I'm going to be working on today. I went on Indeed, put a blast out, try to get some more workers in, and I do have a coaching call at 7 o'clock. That's pretty much my day. Pretty much. After that coaching call, I'm getting kids ready for bed, and then I get ready for bed. I try to be in the bed by 10 o'clock. Sometimes that don't work. That don't happen. But I try. I really try to be down by 10 o'clock. And then I wake up at 6, wake up at 5 or 6 o'clock. That's my medium when I wake up. Okay. All right. So just bringing y'all in on my day today. Y'all let me know what y'all think.